The Japanese tearu grammar is used to express that someone performed an action which led to a resultant state for a specific purpose. I understand that this might sound a bit tricky, so let me explain it in more detail through an example. Ka wa hairanai you ni mado ga shimete aru. In this example, someone closed the window for a specific purpose, so that mosquitoes won't enter. First off, since this grammar expresses that someone did something, it can only be used with transitive verbs. These are verbs that can take a direct object. Shimeru in this case, which means to close something. However, as you can see, instead of mado, the direct object of shimete aru, being marked with the o particle, it is marked with the ga particle, which marks it as the subject of shimete aru. This is because shimete aru translates to is open, so the window is open. This brings us to the actual meaning of tearu. Aru, which means to exist, is placed after the te form of a verb, which is used to express a sequence of actions. So think of it as if someone does an action and the result of that action then exists. In the case of shimete aru, it literally translates to open and exist, or more simply, is open. I hope that this helps, and please follow for more Japanese tips.